Just another quick question. I have tinnitus in my left ear, and I've had it for a few years. And I used to try to not focus on it because then I thought I would just be making it bigger or louder. Last Alaskan cruise, I heard you say something about in meditation focusing on the noises inside your head.
Yeah. If it's a constant, use it to your advantage. Embrace it, adore it, appreciate it, use it as a point of focus.
What is it? Why do I have this constant ringing? Or it's like a vibration in my left ear, a hissing.
We don't know.
Okay. All right.
That's our way of saying why you have it is irrelevant. How you feel about it is the only thing that is important. And hear this, when it is something that is bothering you and you want it to go away, your point of focus holds it to you. But when you embrace it and enjoy it and become one with it, then what's the logical thing that will happen? The reason that so many people say, why do I have this? Or what's the cause of it? Or where did it come from? Is because when you're standing in a place that you think you don't want to be, then it feels better to you to justify how it got there. But it really isn't better for you, because that just holds unwanted things in your now. The more you try to explain it. Esther was laughing at herself the other day because she formed an opinion about something that she really didn't want, and then was almost hoping it would happen so that she could be right. And she thought, that's jacked up. There's something really wrong with that when I'm rooting for this global discord so my opinion can be right, when it's not even an opinion that I want to nurture or hold or promote or spread or influence to other places. And so when you give up this needing to justify, needing to be right about anything, then you can go more easily to the things that are to your greater advantage. Do you hear it now?
Yep.
If you don't mind, we're going to play with you just a little bit.
Okay.
It's all right. You'll still be able to hear later. We're going to focus on it and increase the energy of it. And we just want to hear from you if it makes it louder, because that is our intention, to focus upon it and make it more.
Okay.
And for those of you who are watching Esther, she's probably glowing because there's more energy focused. Yes?
Yes.
All right, now we're going to put it in your other ear. Just a little. See if you can hear it there. Isn't that interesting? That's influence. You see, is it something that is static? No. Is it something that can increase and decrease? Yes. Is it something that can move around? Yes. Is it permanent? No. Is it therefore to your advantage? Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, okay.